More breaking updates that are coming in right now. The SBI has in fact complied with the Supreme Court order. Now the Supreme Court has filed a compliance affidavit. The Supreme Court has provided all the bond details to the Election Commission. The SBI has filed the compliance affidavit here. Now the SBI has of course told the Supreme Court that the bond number of the donor and the beneficiary has been given to the EC. A big update there coming in right now. The SBI in fact has gone ahead and complied with the Supreme Court order, and they have filed a compliance affidavit. Harish joins us on the broadcast to get us more information on this. Harish, this is now the SBI. Of course, time and again, the Supreme Court had asked it to give out all the details, not withhold any details, and not depend on the court to come out and ask it to furnish every single details. And look, now it looks like the SBI has finally released all the details.
Yes, that's right, Ashish. In fact, these are the very words spoken by the Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud, to Harish Salve, pulling up the SBI for non-compliance of the court order and waiting for the Supreme Court to divulge each and everything what has to be uploaded, despite a clear-cut putting in black and white in the judgment clearly that you have to give all the details and not divulge anything. Because why the Chief Justice said this is because this SBI had not given the bond number of the donor and the bond number of the recipient. Therefore, the whole purpose was not served, because we could not know who paid how much to which party. We did not know how Mr. X paid to Y, which is a party. And therefore, the entire purpose was not served. But now, with the SBI filing an affidavit saying that it had complied with the all the details, like giving the bond details of the donor and the beneficiary party, now we will get to know who paid how much to each party. That can be deciphered from the data, which will soon be uploaded on the website of the Election Commission of India. And as you rightly said, on the last date of hearing, the Supreme Court had pulled up the SBI for not complying with the Supreme Court's direction and giving all the details. And now the affidavit says, for the benefit of our viewers, let me say the SBI has told the Supreme Court that following details of donor has been given: serial number, URN number, journal date, date of purchase, date of expiry, name of purchaser, denomination, issue branch code, issue teller and status. And as far as the political parties are concerned, the beneficiaries, date of encashment, name of political party, last 4 digits of account number, this is very important, bond number, denomination and pay branch code. So now, after the Supreme Court had pulled up the SBI on the last date of hearing, as you rightly put, Ashish, now all the details have been given to the Election Commission of India, and nothing has been withheld, everything has been divulged as per the direction of the Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud, who had pulled up Harish Salve, the senior advocate who had represented SBI, and said that we had taken very serious view of the fact that we have to explain it to you what all details you have to give, despite our judgment clarifying that all details have to be given, nothing can be withheld.